When it comes to cloud hosting, two names come up often, Hostwinds and Liquid Web. But the question is, which one has better cloud hosting? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid answer and you might just be surprised at the winner. Let's start with Hostwinds. It's a solid option for cloud hosting, known for its flexibility and affordability. Whether you're a small business owner or someone just getting started with a website, Hostwinds offers a variety of plans that are quite accessible. They boast strong uptime, solid customer support, and an easy-to-use interface. But here's the catch. While the pricing is great, some of the advanced features you might expect from premium cloud hosting providers just aren't there. It's good for basic needs, but if you need something more robust or if you plan on scaling, Hostwinds can feel a little limiting. The performance may not be as reliable for high-traffic sites, especially in comparison to Liquid Web, which we'll dive into in just a moment. Next thing, let's talk about Liquid Web. Known for its high-performance cloud hosting, Liquid Web is a powerhouse in the industry. It's definitely a step up from Hostwinds in terms of features and performance. Liquid Web offers managed cloud hosting, meaning you get more hands-on support, which is a huge plus for those who might not want to handle everything themselves. Their cloud services are fully scalable, allowing you to grow without worrying about your hosting solution holding you back. Liquid Web also offers excellent uptime, blazing fast speeds, and some of the best customer support in the industry. It's built for businesses that expect a lot from their cloud hosting, especially for high-traffic websites or resource-intensive applications. The downside? Liquid Web is a premium service, and you're definitely paying for it. While the performance and support are second to none, their plans are significantly more expensive than Hostwinds, so if you're on a tight budget, it might not be the most cost-effective solution. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the ease of use. Hostwinds does a decent job of keeping things simple, which is ideal for those who don't have a lot of technical knowledge. However, with Liquid Web, you get an even smoother experience, especially if you're opting for managed services. Their control panel is intuitive, and they provide full access to all the tools and resources you might need to scale up your website or business. But here's where things get interesting. Both of these hosting options are good, but neither is perfect. Hostwinds might be a great option if you're just starting and need something budget-friendly, but if you want premium performance with top-tier customer support and scalability, Liquid Web is definitely the better option. But before you make your decision, I want to introduce you to something even better. After trying both Hostwinds and Liquid Web myself, I found an alternative that takes cloud hosting to the next level. If you're looking for an even more powerful and flexible hosting solution, check out the first link in the description below. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, if you're serious about cloud hosting, you don't want to miss this.